How to fix TikTok comments not showing. So if your TikTok comments are not showing, then first let's open up the TikTok application. And after logging into your account, now if you go to the inbox, here you will have all of your notifications, right? You can simply tap on activities and here you will have all of your notifications. So you will have your comment history here, or you can also go back and if you simply tap on the comments, which is right beside the video, here you will have all of the comments, right? So if you are facing a problem with these comments, then what you can do is simply go to your profile, which is on the bottom right, and after that you can go to the upper right corner, which has that three bar icon, and then go for settings and privacy, and then scroll down and go for free up space, and then tap on clear right beside the cache, which is clear cache, and then again tap on clear, and that's it. Now you have cleared all of your cache. And after that you can again go to settings, your phone settings, and then you can go for apps and notifications, and you have to open up your TikTok application on your settings, and then go for storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. And even after clearing the cache, if that still doesn't fix your issue, then the last thing you need to do is you have to make sure that your app needs an update or not. So if your app needs an update, then you can go to Play Store and go for the search bar and search for TikTok. And after searching, if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you can simply tap on update and you have to update your TikTok application. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.